Hey, what's up guys? Zach here, and I got a special episode for you today. I was lucky enough to have one of the guys reach out to me and schedule and set this up, so big thanks to James here. But to let you guys know what we're doing today, we're at RealStreet here in Florida. First thing that caught my attention, up on the lift. I can't help it.
So, I'll start over here and we'll work our way around.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, this is the Supras automatic, Precision 6870. Stock engine right now. I think it's making like 900, 950.
But automatics are faster in the quarter, right? Or,
they can be.
Yeah.
This one I think is stock. I'm not sure what's in this one. This is the fastest S2000 in the world. Runs 660s at 203 or 204. This thing's nuts. There we go. Twin chutes to slow it down. We call it S2 King.
That's crazy.
It's rare to see a 6-second import.
This is nuts, dude. This is crazy.
So right here, another customer Supra. I'm not sure what's going on with this one. I know it's here for an engine or something along those lines. But this car's from Illinois. Now this one, this is the fastest STI in the world. This one runs 790s. This one beat the Evos. This car's pretty nuts. A lot of it's carbon fiber. Definitely a cool setup. Precision 76mm. You'll see the turbo set a little better. All carbon fiber right here. This whole piece is carbon. It's all meant to look like multiple pieces, but it's all one piece of carbon.
See, that's sick. Was that the motor that you were picking up?
No, different car. S2000, and this is like a 62, 66 on it, stuff like that. Pretty basic, but it's got a 488 rear diff, so it's able to handle some abuse. And this is a FP Red car. It's on Motec. I think it's the highest horsepower FP Red car. I think so. It's Tim's Evo. It's mainly just kind of like a road race street car. It's quick. I think it runs mid-10s. Gay drives to work. Reliable car. Right here.
Oh man.
It's actually soundproof and includes full climate control. So it's a controlled environment. Once we close this door and that turns on, you can't hear anything. We won't even know. You can have a car here with like a hood exit making 2,000 horsepower. I have no idea. I'm sitting 200 feet away from here.
Jeez.
Probably one of the nicest dyno cells I've ever been in. So this is probably the nicest 69 car I've ever seen. Used to be all motor, made like 700 and I think about 700 to the wheels, all motor. But now it's got this setup in it. I'm not sure what's going on with it. It's got a big ass blower on it. So
Jesus.
This one should make some power. I mean, this car's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right here, this is Jay's Supra. This one makes right about, I think it's a little 1,527 horsepower to the wheels. It's got an 83mm turbo on it. It's a 3.2 engine. It's got a full dog box 6-speed sequential in it. Does over 200 miles per hour in the half mile. Drives to work like every day. This car used to go 860s, manual transmission with a blower.
Oof.
Now it's, he switched to all motor setup on it. I'm not sure if it's still manual, I don't know. All I know is this car is gorgeous, one of my favorite cars here.
Really?
One of my favorite cars here, yeah.
Fox body guy, alright. I can dig it.
Fox body guy.
I can dig it.
So, right here, I'm not sure what's going on with this one. But I'll leave you these two. Sorry, we were just packing for GX2K, so excuse the disaster.
No.
This car has been on Street Outlaws. This is one of the fastest, I think, Supras in the world right now. So I think it goes 750s, IRS car, 25.5 cage, Precision 8385. This car is gorgeous. Dry sump, really nice car. It also competed in Drag Week. I might be one of the fastest imports ever in Drag Week as well. This car made, I think it's in the Middle East, I'm not 100% sure, made about 1,600, I think on just boost. It's got a Precision 8685, a lot of boost. They're running through this thing. It's on a Motec M150. It's a big dollar bill. I like the old style. It looks like very early 2000s age. This right here is the nicest Supra you'll ever see in your life. This car is flawless. Not a scratch on it, not a dent, freshly stripped down. repainted chassis, everything's brand new. Even inside the car, it smells like a new car. engine bay is just gorgeous. It makes, I think this one makes, I have no idea. If I had to guess, between 1,200 and 1,500. Yeah, this is just a beautiful car. Still 6-speed. This one's 6-speed, this one's 6-speed, that one's a TH400. Intake manifold. I mean, this is just really nice setup.
Jeez.
I believe it's a 3.4. This one's also a 3.4, and that one is a 3.2. I think. This one's one of mine.
This one caught my attention online just for the paint. Yeah. So I don't know who did that, but
yeah, Joshua owed him.
Yeah.
So him and his dad painted the car. This one's really nice. This one's a little different from most BMW builds. We just dropped everything out of it. This car's actually starting life as an automatic 96 328 IS. I had an E36 M3, it was the car yellow, and got rear-ended the first day we finished it. So most of that stuff's going in here, interior, 5-speed swap. But it's got drive shaft shop, everything now. This is all still stock stuff in here. I didn't start tearing the chassis apart.
Yeah.
Just got the engine apart. This is the old stuff that we're not using. So I'll have to finish putting this away. But the engine's at Mazworks right now. The head's going to Adam at BMW machine. These are the full head setup on it. Jordan RK Tunes is tuning it. I mean, a lot of cool people got together for this. King Bearings, fuel injector clinic, precision turbo, and all that stuff. So we're gonna see what we get out of a BMW. I think it'd be pretty cool.
That's awesome.
I mean, we're hoping. I mean, I'd be happy with anything over 1,000 wheel, but realistically, if we push it, I don't see why it won't hit 1,000, 1,050.
I will hop on an airplane and come back as soon as it's done.
1150-ish.
To see that, that'd be nuts.
Yeah, it'd be a pretty cool setup.
So any reason you're going with S52 over the M50, or?
Yes, it's actually an M52 now.
Oh, okay,
so
perfect.
the old engine was an S52. This one is kind of a mix. It's got an S52 head, M52 bottom end. We're using the M52 block because it's 84mm bore, you got more meat. S52 crank, so it's a 3-liter stroker.
Perfect.
Acrylic rods, our custom RS1600 pistons, so it's pretty much a full RS1600 bottom end. Head's pretty basic, Freyacom Plus valve, Supertech valve train. Stock S52 cams. Hope I bring the power on a little earlier.
Yeah.
It's got Achilles Motorsports or racing. It's got their oil pump and it's got all that stuff into it. So
That's crazy.
a lot of money in this one.
I can only imagine.
This one's cool. Fox body. It's got a Nissan engine in it.
Oh damn.
So it looks like we started mocking things up. So it's gonna be twin turbo. It's gonna be just like a GTR, pretty much.
See, you dumped in an R35 lump into a Fox body just because you can.
I think it's a 370Z engine.
Is it really?
Yeah, I think it is 370Z. Yeah, it is. But yeah, I mean, pretty much the same footprint. It's a badass setup. It should be pretty cool when it's done. And they're only going for like 700, but it'll be a cool car. Manual car, runs consistent 10 O's. He's cursed. He can't go 9s. Get over here.
My mouth is on the floor right now. I don't even know what to say. Obviously, humongous thank you to James and whoever else he had to convince over at RealStreet to let me come for a tour. That is just great. That is beyond your dream job. I'm sure you got to fight with cars and stuff every now and again, but holy cow, that's crazy. I hope you guys understand what you just saw. You just saw like 10 cars producing 30,000 horsepower. Not really, but holy cow. I think I might just keep this going. What? What did we just see? Oh my God. That's crazy. This trip has been absolutely bonkers. So for all you guys that have been following me back from like the 2007 days till now, you will realize how crazy this is. It's just, anybody that knows RealStreet knows how crazy this is, to be able to go inside, take a little tour, check out all the projects they're working on. It's just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And like I was just talking to one of the owners there, the fact that they can turn a passion for cars into a profitable business, I mean, that is not easy. I mean, heck, being a mechanic isn't easy, and sometimes it's not even profitable with how much we owe Snap-on and all those guys. But to be able to do what they do there is just crazy, 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 crazy on a daily basis. You know, you got your elbows deep into, you know, turbo builds, answering questions and stuff like that. Dream job, absolute dream job. So, all right. So look, if you guys have a question, comment, again, tell me where we should go next. A lot of you guys, thank you for posting on that poll I put out. You guys want to see a lot of car repair videos. So if you, somebody you know, or if you could share this on pages that you guys are on, let me know what projects you need help on, what parts you need, what information I can get for you guys, and I would be more than happy to swing through there and give you guys a hand, spin a wrench with you, or you know, contact some places and see if we can't get the right resources, parts, and information for you guys to make sure that the you know, the project goes off without a hitch. But for now, I gotta go get some food or something. I don't know. I'm flying right now. This is crazy.